got one question. Where the heck is my frontal? What's poppin' my house? What's poppin' with y'all? Today I'm gonna do a frontal video. So, you wanna see how I got my frontal to look like this? You feel me? Like a scalp? Cause honestly, what frontal? I'm not seeing a frontal. So you're gonna take your developer and you're gonna mix that in with the powder, and you're gonna know it's a good consistency when it's like not toothpaste, but like a little bit runnier than toothpaste. You'll see. So basically, if your brush, the brush that you're using to mix it, if it stays once you put it down and it doesn't move, like it stays, that's how you know it's a good consistency. And you want to take that and you want to just apply it, and you want to use a light, steady hand. If you press it too hard, it's going to seep through the lace and get on the hair, and that's not what you want. So yeah, just keep putting that on, and then you want to leave it on for 35 to 40 minutes depending on like what you want to do. And that's how it should look when you come out. When you wash it out, it should look like brown, or I guess blonde. I got some on the hair, like the bleach on the hair, but that's fine because I had some black dye and I just went back over it. Yeah. So I'm taking some black dye from Adore in jet black, and I'm just putting that over the blonde parts. Yeah. Now for the fun part, the plucking. Oh my gosh. So the way I pluck is I go in sections. I'm going in one section and making it thinner, okay? And I'm going gradually. You don't want to take too much hair off because you don't want to have just a bunch of bald spots. You want it to look like an actual scalp. So once I pluck one part, I go to the next section, but I don't go to the part like directly after. I like skip over a piece and then I go to the next piece, and then I skip over a piece and I go to the next piece, and then I skip over a piece and I go, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know if that makes any sense, but like you'll see once I like keep going. And then I like separated the hair and like went in even more. That's just to make it look like even more of a scalp, because I mean, you don't want to just pluck the front, you know. So that is how that side looked once I was finished. As you can see, like there's a big difference. It looks much better than like the other side. It's a lot thinner and it looks like a scalp. This side looks super dense and thick. That's not what you want. You want it to look like that, okay? So I know I look a mess right now. Let's not comment on that, okay? I'm gonna show you guys how I put my frontal on, how I get it to look like this. You dig? So yeah, let's hop right in today. So I didn't gel it down. I put the adjustable strap, I tightened it, but there's no gel on it yet. That's just how it looks. So I use the Black Got To Be Glue gel, and I use a thin layer of the gel, and then I blow dry that on cool until it's completely dry. Then I go back in with a second layer and I blow dry that until it's tacky, and then I put the wig on. And I make sure it's not on my edges at all, so I put it up a little bit in front of my in front of my edges, so that like my edges are not touched and I still have edges under my wig, okay? So yeah. I just went in with some Eco Styler gel and like went like this. That's just all I did. But as you can see, it looks like it's gelled down pretty nicely. Yeah. I'm gonna do an in-depth baby hair video and show you guys how I get my baby hair to look like that, because that is a whole nother process. If you guys want to see a video like that, then let me know in the comments. But yes, I did it. I did my wig.